use. In your house, you could certainly go out if you have a putting green like this that's outdoors. You could certainly use that as well. But just doing it on the carpet, or even doing it on a hard floor, it doesn't get you the pace that you want for the putt, but you can certainly work on some of the rhythm. And using this same stick, I had a ruler that I just basically converted from that into that like 4 to 6 ratio. So 4 back, 4 inches back, 6 inches through. And that should help maximize at least your pace on the putt, so that when you start making your putts when you come back in the spring, that you get a little bit better speed on that. Another great drill that I always use, especially when I'm out here practicing, is what I call the dime putt. Take a dime out of your pocket. You'll always have a dime or something, or a nickel or something. I use the shiny ones because they're a little bit easier to see. And when you're putting, put the penny or the dime or the nickel onto the ground, or you can use a tee. And instead of putting to that hole, putt to the dime. What will happen is the more that you get your eyes focused on that little dot, when you go out onto the course to play, that circle will look unmistakably larger than it did before if you train your eyes on this all the time. Your eyes, if you notice, when you first go out someplace and it's dark, if you go outside, if you go from the dark to the, or from the light just out to the dark, it's hard to see. But once you get out for a little while in the dark, your eyes adjust. Same principle for this. It adjusts and helps you with that piece. So just come on over here. I'll let you guys stand right there and just turn the opposite way. So this is another one, and this is one of the drills that we did with Bob. And I know Bob had some fun with this, and I know he thought that initially it was going to be too hard. It seems like it's too hard. But you can do this at home. You can either get some blocks. I happen to have a wife that's a yoga instructor, just working with yoga blocks. They're great, and they're foamy, and they stick around all the time. So you can certainly use anything. You can use, you know, some cans of soup that are home in your house. You can use some glasses, whatever it is that you want. Just take it at home when you're watching TV